大家好，我是欧比王，上课喽。
Vocabulary class.
Now we are going to learn this character. It is pronounced as 月. Let's see how to write this character. This word is consisted of 4 strokes. 月. It means moon, month, monthly. Let's review the pronunciation of the rhythm of the 4 tones.
约
This word is the 4th tone, so it should be 月.
The origin of this character.
Now let me tell you an ancient Chinese legend about the moon. In ancient China, there was a deeply affectionate married couple.
后羿
And
嫦娥
at that time, there were originally 10 suns between heaven and earth, and 10 golden crows took turns appearing in the sky every day. However, one day, 10 suns rose at the same time, scorching the earth and causing great suffering to all living things. The Emperor of Heaven ordered Haoyi to solve this disaster. Haoyi picked up the magic bow and sharp arrow, climbed up Mount Kunlun, and shot 9 suns in a row, leaving only the last one to save the world. Because of his achievement in shooting down the sun, the Emperor of Heaven gave Haoyi an elixir of immortality. But his wife secretly ate the medicine out of curiosity, and as a result she flew to the moon and became a moon fairy. She is so lonely, and she is the spot inside the word of moon.
月
Yue. It looked like this in Oracle bone script. Yue. It looked like this in bronze inscriptions. Yue. That's the origin of this word.
The meaning of this character.
Yue. It means moon, month, monthly. Yue. This word represents the moon and is also a symbol of family reunion. When referring to the moon in spoken language, we will say 月亮 moon. When it comes to technology or astronomy, we use another word to refer to the moon. 月球 moon. Moon viewing.
赏月。在台湾，每年的中秋节，我们会一起赏月吃月饼，阖家团圆。月
We have learned Chinese numbers. Now add the numbers to the characters to get the month names. For example,
1月
January,
2月
February,
3月
March,
4月
April,
5月
May,
6月
June,
7月
July,
8月
August,
9月
September,
10月
October,
11月
November,
12月
December. If you want to say it lasts for several months, you need to add one more word.
个
This is a unit word used for a number of people or solid objects. This unit word can be used to count periods of months.
3个月
3 months,
3个月
3 months.
我要去参加一个医学研讨会，为期3个月，大约10月初会回来。
This word can also be used for monthly things, such as monthly magazines, monthly meetings, monthly tickets.
月历
Monthly calendar.
月刊
monthly,
月票，
monthly ticket,
捷运站有发行月票，对长期搭车的人来说很划算。
Word in daily life.
menstruation,
月经
the physiological phenomenon of females every month. This is the official medical name. Because in implicit spoken language, women will use other words instead like
例假生理期大姨妈
我的月经来了，肚子很痛，今天的体育课要请假。
Finally, let us appreciate the works of famous calligraphers in history.
月
Which one is your favorite? That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.